Hey everyone, and thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Mike Taylor, and even though we have some showers and storms moving through for this evening, they should die down overnight tonight with a little bit of fog. But we're going to focus in on the threat of seeing some severe weather for Tuesday evening. Just wanted to give you a heads up here. It's about a level 2 risk of severe weather. Slight risk is what the Storm Prediction Center calls it, but all modes of severe weather will be possible, from hail to damaging winds and also spin up tornadoes. This time around, we can't even rule those out just based on the amount of shear and instability that we'll have in the atmosphere. Flooding will be on the lower end just because the storms are expected to move quickly. So even though they will produce some heavy downpours, it's not going to be one of those scenarios where the storms sit in place causing widespread flash flooding. So let me show you how this plays out. The rain that we have on radar right now will diminish. Skies will calm down a little bit into the overnight. Humidity climbs, and we'll have some fog that's going to develop. And then as we get into the morning, kids at the bus stop should be okay. Make sure that they'll have a way to get the warnings, or at least make sure that they'll have the rain gear handy and know where to go in case some of those thunderstorms move in and turn threatening. We're not expecting that to happen in the early afternoon hours. I think most kids will be able to get home safely as far as the bus stops go, and also most of us will be able to get home before the storms arrive. But between 6 o'clock and 10 o'clock, that's going to be that window of opportunity for a line of storms to come together. These storms will have, once again, that opportunity to be dangerous at times based on the damaging wind potential, the hail, and also the spin-up tornadoes. The good news is that this is not going to be a prolonged event. It is going to be within that window. Once we get between 8:30 and about 11:30 p.m., I'm thinking most of the storms will be done, and hopefully we'll be able to get by with minimal severe weather impacts, but it is on the table, unfortunately. After that, how about this? Temperatures really cool down. We will be struggling just to get out of the 60s on Wednesday, so it's going to be a fall feel, and hopefully it puts it in context how strong this cold front is going to be that sweeps through here. 63 degrees for tonight, mostly cloudy with some patchy fog. Winds will be light from the northeast. They will switch to the southwest, and they'll be gusty at times. It will be warmer with the chance of storms that I was mentioning with a high of 84. Life behind the cold front and the strong storms on Tuesday puts us down into the 70s. 71 degrees will be a struggle on Thursday, and we will barely hit 70 by this upcoming Sunday. Hey, thanks for joining us here at WXYZ.com to get your forecast information. Next planned update will be by Kevin for your Tuesday morning.